What?
I said to stop. I have to fix my walkie-talkie.
Okay.
That's why I was like, stop. Wait a minute.
I didn't see you. You were bent over playing with your bag.
Stop and wait, and they shouldn't have gone because, like, why do I have to stay there? You know you're stopped. I said to stop. I literally had to.
He went. There was someone in front of me.
You're gonna run into a car. I just had to switch a walkie-talkie. I'm one person.
Okay, but there was why are you yelling at me? There was somebody in front of me who went. You didn't tell me anything.
Go and fly into the truck. If you pull over and wait a second or back up, can you back up?
Jesus, can you do your fucking job right?
Yeah, I'm fixing my walkie-talkie.
Well, you're bent over your fucking bag over there. I can't fucking see you.
Because I had to fix this. Now, can you get out of the road?
Can you get a fucking brain cell? Go right ahead. You're incompetent. There was somebody in front of me who was stopped. You did not tell me that. Honey, I'm running a dash cam. I have evidence. I'm fine with waiting. Do your job right. I didn't jump out.
Well, how am I going to let him go? Okay,
I'll be standing right here.
There was somebody in front when I pulled up.
Sir.
Learn your fucking job, bitch.
Sir. No worries. Let me just get.
There was somebody in front of me. She told them to stop. She was her ass bent over her fucking bag, playing with the walkie-talkie. The other person took off, so I figured it was safe to go. And she's like, "You can't go. You can't go."
My apologies. I apologize. Get what help we can get sometimes.
Yeah, I know. I have it on Dashcam, so.
Is he all set to go? You can go through here, sir. Go right ahead.
Thank you, and for her. How's your day going?